Hi, this is Anna, and we continue crocheting our sneakers. In this video, I'll show you how to crochet the sides of the sole, toe section, and tongue. I want to crochet one round in blue yarn and other for round in white yarn. Turn the sole with its face toward you. This is the wrong side, and crochet all this round back loop only. Begin in the middle of the heel. Make one chain and work through the back loop. Only crochet 109 single crochets. While tying the tail of the yarn into the fabric. So, crochet single crochets by round, and meet here at the end of the round. So, we are finishing with the first round of the sole side. At the end of the round, make invisible join, cut the yarn. Pull the tail through the first stitch of the round. Then thread it back through the last stitch. The first round of the sole side is finished. Then I am taking the white yarn. Also begin in the middle of the heel and crochet single crochets as usual, not back loop only. Make one chain and crochet 109 single crochets, while tying the tail of the yarn into the fabric. Crochet the second round by own, and meet at the end of this round. We are finished with the second round and make slip stitch to join in the round. Crochet 3 more rounds in the same manner, repeat round 2. Well, we crocheted 4 white rounds. At the end of the round, make invisible join, cut the yarn. Pull the tail through the first stitch of the round. Then thread it back through the last stitch. This is the shape of the sides of the sole you should have. We continue crocheting our sneakers. In this step, I'll show you how to crochet the toe section. Find the middle of the front part of the shoe as I show. At first, insert the hook and after insert a removable marker. Count off for streets, each to the left and right, and mark these spots with removable markers. One more time. Markers is on the 1st and the 8th stitches. This would be the center of the toe section. Then we will crochet the extension and then the same width. Worked in blue and back and forth rows with turning. Well, all streets of the row through the back loop only. Make 1 chain. Then in the next stitches, we crochet 7 single crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. In the next stitch we crochet, slip stitch, and into the next stitch, we crochet 1 single crochet. The first row is finished. Now turn the work that the working yarn would be in front of. And insert hook into the second stitch from the hook, into the stitch with slip stitch of the previous row. And crochet 1 single crochet, then make 7 single crochets. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and crochet through the front loop, only 1 slip stitch and 1 single crochet. Turn the work again and working yarn is behind the work. Start crocheting the third row. And again insert hook into the second stitch from the hook and crochet 1 single crochet. And again I show you. This moment it is very important, insert hook into the second stitch from the hook. And crochet 8 single crochet more. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. We add 1 single crochet each row. In the next stitch we crochet 1 slip stitch back loop only and 1 single crochet back loop only. Turn the work and star crochet in the 4th row. Insert hook into the 2nd stitch and crochet 10 single crochets. Then slip stitch front loop only and 1 single crochet front loop only 2. We crocheted the 4th row. Turn the work. As you can see, we are now expanding because we are adding 1 stitch each row. And in the same manner, we will need to crochet 8 more rows. Well, we crocheted 12 rows. That's how we got to the right sole width. Next, we will crochet the toe section without adding stitches in each row, and I show you how to do it. Turn the work. Well, the 13th row we crochet, inserting hook into the 3rd stitch from the hook. Here is the hook, here is the 1st, the 2nd. Into the 5th stitch we insert the hook and start crocheting single crochets. In this row, like as the several next rows, we crochet 18 single crochets. Here we make slip stitch front loop only and 1 single crochet front loop only 2. Turn the work. Now the stitches don't add up, and the crochet goes the same width. And here we will crochet until 25 rows. Pause the video and crochet by on the toe section until 25 rows in total. Meet here after 25th row. Well, we crocheted 25 rows. This is the part we got. I recommend to try on the slipper at this stage to find out whether the foot fits comfortably into it. If it's too tight for the foot, I recommend working fewer rows for the toe section for a more comfortable fit. We did not crochet the last stitches of the 25th row. Make 1 chain and cut the working yarn. Break the working yarn. Continue crochet. In this step, I'll show you how to crochet the tongue of the sneakers. Work this step in white yarn in turned rows. Insert hook and make 2 chains count as 1 double crochet. Then in the same stitch, we crochet 1 double crochet. And then crochet 17 double crochets. More. Well, we crocheted 18 double crochets. Make 1 chain and turn the work. And crochet 18 single crochets. So we finished the second row. At the beginning of the third row, we make 2 chains and turn the work. And repeat the first row. Crochet 18 double crochets. Then turn the work and repeat the second row with 18 single crochets. Pause the video and crochet by your own rows from 3 to 11, repeating first and second rows. So we crocheted 11 rows. And now start crocheting the last row of the tongue. Turn the work. Two single crochets. Two half double crochets. 10 double crochets. Again, 2 half double crochets. And 2 single crochets. Cut the working yarn. PDF written pattern for other sizes of sneakers is available on my site. If you like the video and don't want to miss the next steps on how to crochet these sneakers, then put a like and subscribe to the channel. See you.